Welcome to this mindful eating meditation session. Today we will embark on a journey of sensory awareness and deep appreciation for the food that nourishes our bodies and souls. Before we begin, find a quiet place where you can sit comfortably with your meal prepared in front of you. This can be anything you've chosen to eat, a simple snack, a piece of fruit, or a full meal. Let's start by taking 3 deep breaths together. Inhale slowly and exhale. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more present in this moment. Inhale slowly and take a long exhale. Inhale and slowly exhale. Now look at your meal. Observe the colors, the shapes, and the arrangement of the food in front of you. Notice any thoughts or judgments that arise, and gently let them pass without judgment or attachment. Reach out and touch your food. Feel the texture. Is it smooth, rough, dry, or moist? Pay attention to the sensations in your fingertips. Bring the food to your nose and take a deep breath in. What do you smell? Perhaps sweetness, earthiness, or a hint of spice. Each scent is a message inviting you to taste. Now take a small bite, but do not yet chew. Let the food rest on your tongue. Explore the flavors as they come alive in your mouth. Sweet, salty, bitter, or sour. Each flavor is an experience. Explore the taste as you allow the food to sit in your mouth. Begin to chew slowly. Notice the change in texture, the release of flavors, and the sounds of chewing. Be aware of the movements of your jaw and tongue. As you swallow, follow the path of the food down to your stomach. Feel gratitude for this nourishment, for the journey it has taken to reach you, and for the energy it provides. Pause for a moment to reflect on how this food came to be in your possession. Think of the farmers that cultivated the ingredients, of the journey and transportation it took to make its way to you, the grocers who host the ingredients, and any chefs who cooked and assembled the dish. Allow your heart to fill with gratitude for the journey that this food took to nourish your body. Continue to eat in this way, bite by bite, fully engaged with the experience. Remember, there is no rush. This is your time to connect with your food and with yourself. As we come to the end of our meal, let's take 3 more deep breaths. Inhale the sense of satisfaction and exhale any remaining tension in your body. As you inhale and exhale slowly. Inhale and exhale slowly. Thank you for joining me in this mindful eating meditation. May you carry this awareness and appreciation into every meal. We hope this has brought you a sense of peace and connection. Until next time, eat mindfully and live joyfully. The divine in me recognizes the divine in you. Namaste.